Alrighty, Rudy guys, welcome to my channel. Tammy here. We have the Ariel Inspired ILY Forever Disney Doll. Let me pull her out of this box and let's take a look-see. So in my previous video, I showed my haul from Target. I had a Target gift card, and so I got a couple of these dolls. All right, just real quick, here's the box. Bing, bang, boom. I showed the box on the other video. I'll put a card here or link it so you can see if you want to see everything I got. This video is just going to be about this doll right here. But there are 6 dolls in the collection. This one is the Ariel Inspired Doll. None of the dolls actually have names per se. I mean, I guess you could call her Ariel if you want. But here's a quick look at her before I pull her out of this thing. I think they did a good job of setting her up in this. If you're the type of person that does not like to unbox your dolls, you like to keep them pristine in the box, it does a good job as far as, you know, display purposes. Everything, you can see all of the parts and pieces. You can see the doll really well. There's some background here. You can see like a little sparkly, almost watery looking background. So they did a good job as far as that goes. All right, let me take her out and take all her accessories and her little extra jacket out of here too. I'll do that off camera and be right back. All right, that was a lot. In fact, she still has some of these rubber band things on her. I guess that's for her necklace. Yeah, so, all right, this girl had 2 of these tabby things in her head. This little jacket had at least 10, and I'm not exaggerating. So at first when I started to open it, I was like, oh, this isn't so bad. You know, I'm used to opening Blythe dolls, but wowie. That was kind of ridiculous. In fact, I think there's still some of these things. See that little thing there? Seriously, there's a ridiculous number. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. Okay. Wow. So, yeah. Nicely displayed, but not the easiest to get out of the box. So I guess while we have her jacket, let's take a look at it. It's a cute little hoodie. Well, there's another one of those things. And it's got these really cute sleeves, little different pattern there with the turquoise trim and little strings. These don't actually pull the hoodie closed or anything. They're just ornamental, not functional. There's a little shell charm here at the top. And the zipper is also just ornamental, not functional. There's no way to close it and actually zip it up. And these, I don't know if this is supposed to be, or these may be supposed to look like pockets, but they also are not functional. They are stitch closed. But I really like the color scheme. I think that's a very fun, sporty, cute fashion for the doll. Super cute jacket. All right, she also has sunglasses. And let's see. Oh yeah, so you can actually, sometimes the sunglasses are so dark you can't really see anything through them, but this you can see. So that's kind of nice. And then we have, I guess it's supposed to be her purse. Huh. Seems like a little bit of an odd purse, but I don't know. Enlighten me, people who know Ariel really well. Is this supposed to be like a fishbowl type looking thing, or? Huh. It looks like a drawstring. It's supposed to be like an open drawstring bag to me, but almost looks like it's supposed to be glass. Okie dokie. So we have those. And then we have this cute little prop. This is kind of neat because you could use these in photography. And in fact, when March Payne opened his doll, and he had some really good photos at the end with one of the dolls holding this, and it looked really, really cute. But, oh, here we go. It also has stuff in it. Has little props. So I guess these are the possible props. We have Mickey Mouse looking lollipops, Mickey Mouse looking pretzel and cheese, popcorn, candied apples. I guess those are maybe cookies. And that looks like a ice cream with a bite out of it. Oh, and some other things. Oh, okay. Ice cream cone. Looks like a waffle, or maybe it's a pancake. A cupcake. That's super cute. And cookies. All right, let's see what we have. All right, we have the lollipops. Cute. Cute. Yeah, so they are, I guess they're in like a jar. So she can't actually hold one. They're actually stuck together, too. So, yeah, they're two. They're supposed to look like little Mickey Mouse ear lollipops that they sell there. I can't imagine somebody eating these. I think that would make me sick. They're so sweet looking. But they are cute. I like how they are very colorful. Okay, so that's cute. So she has now another little prop, an accessory thingy. So let's take a look at the doll, who is not Ariel, the not Ariel doll that just is inspired by Ariel. Her hair, yeah, it's definitely got product on it. And of course she has some box hair. It's pretty flat. I'll try to comb it out and see. It's kind of scraggly looking. I mean, I guess because we're seeing her from here in the box, so it's kind of supposed to be curly. But I have a feeling when I comb this, it's going to be Frizz City. But we'll see. All of them have pierced ears, but I think there's only one. I believe it's Cinderella has earrings. The Cinderella Inspired Doll. I'm pretty sure. And let me know if you know in the comments down below. I believe she's the only one that actually comes with earrings. Otherwise, some of the fashion packs are supposed to have earrings. And honestly, I don't know if any of the fashion packs I got have earrings or not. Oh, and she has, so the top of her head, she has a little bun. So it's long hair, but then she's got part of it and a bun. That's kind of cute. And then these really cute Mickey ears, which have... they're turquoise and purple, and the purple part almost looks like shells to me, and they are sparkly. They have glitter on them. So her top has a mermaid tail. Super cute. You see the water there. And then her necklace also has a mermaid tail, and I think that's supposed to be like a shell. It's all one piece. It looks from a distance like it's a chain, and these are charms, but it's just plastic, and it's all one piece. But I think this, for a plastic necklace, it's pretty well done. I'm going to get this little piece of rubber band off of her. Alright, so since I was taking the elastic off, and there were two pieces of elastic around her neck and her chest area, I took a quick comb to her hair quickly here, and actually looks pretty good. You know, considering, I mean, it's not crazy soft, but it's not too bad for considering the type of doll this is. Interestingly enough, when I do have some of the Disney princess dolls, and I will do a video at some point where I do comparison of these dolls and those dolls. And when I got the Disney princess dolls, I remember I was kind of looking for a reasonably priced fashion doll that I didn't have to worry so much about the price, but that had some sort of, you know, that I found interesting. And I wish they'd had those dolls then. These dolls, I like these kind of better than just the general Disney princess dolls, have to say. I think they're better quality for sure. And of course they are, you know, a little bit pricier. These are going for retail at Target as I speak for $29. You know, basically $30. And then the fashion packs are going for about $15. That's all US. Alright, so then she has these really cute tie-dye little jogging pants, little sweatpants. Very cute. I think they're pretty well made. There's some pockets. I don't know, are they working? Yeah, they're working pockets. You can see they're working pockets. I don't know if I could actually get her hand in there. And then these really adorable high top tennis shoes, which look, they have the little detail of the water. Very nice detail there. cute. Very cute. Very, very, very cute. All right. Yeah, I really like her. Now, her face, they don't all have the same face mold, and I am not an expert yet about, not that I ever will be, but I'm not an expert on who has which face mold, but I do know they're not all the same. So, yeah, just keep that in mind if you're looking, if that makes a difference. If you want to get some of these dolls and you don't want to have dolls that have the same face mold, that might be a way to kind of decide which ones to get. And they have inset eyes, which is, to me, I think just really, really, you know, kudos Disney. Kudos for not giving us painted eyes. All right, so they're very, very articulated. They're not like massively articulated, like made to move articulated. So, for example, the top part they don't swivel or anything around their waist or move back and forth. But they do have articulation in the elbows and the wrists. Okay. And it's a pretty sturdy bod to me. And then they have they can bend their knees pretty well. And then also the ankles back and forth. So that's pretty cool. And let's take a look at their heads. Can she go up and down? Limited. Well, no, okay. Yeah, so she can move around a little bit. She can tilt her head if you wanted to pose her and go, what are you talking about? Oh, see, that's as far as her elbow goes. So she can't get her hand up to her mouth exactly. It's pretty far away. But she can say, hi. Hi, how's it going? Yes, no, no. Yeah, I can do, let's see. Flare this way so you can see. Yeah, a little bit up and down. A little bit side to side. Not a ton, but a little bit. I'll take it. All right, so let me put her jacket on and get her sunglasses on her. Let's see. I'm not keen, because, I mean, she has really nice eyes. But let's see if these sunglasses fit her. I'm going to get her all duded up in her accessories and take some pictures. Oh, that's not too bad. And you can see her eyes. I mean, I kind of like her better without the glasses on. But not too bad. At least they fit her fairly well. Sometimes you get sunglasses and they don't even fit the doll. So, yeah. Cute. Yes. Okay, let me get the jacket on and just take a few pictures. Let me know about your thoughts about these this new line of dolls from Disney. Have you seen other doll collectors get them? Do you have any yourself? Are you consider getting any of them? Yes, let me know down in the comments below. And as usual, give this a thumbs up. Give her a thumbs up, guys. And have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye. So I'm going to also pop in here and mention real quick a couple things. So I put her sunglasses up here and they work all right. The Mickey ears are actually attached to their heads. You see there's a little, one of those, you know, tab thingies. Right now I'm going to leave it in there. I fear that if I take it out, getting it back on her head, it's going to just pop off all the time. I don't know. Does anybody know anything about that? Also, I also wanted to mention these dolls do not come with stands, but I was able to get her to stand up unassisted. They have, there you go. They have flat feet. So, yeah, so that's, there's nothing behind her. Okay, she's not leaning against the wall or anything like that. So that's kind of nice that they can do that. If they're not going to give us stands, then this is, you know, the next best thing. And actually, I kind of like this because you can get more dolls together. The stands kind of take up room sometimes. So I just wanted to mention that real quick before I move on with the video.